Hi everyone, so today I'm going to do a review of Kylie's recently released The Soulmate set. So here's the box it came in, pretty standard. So these came out a few weeks before Valentine's Day as like a special limited edition promo. And of course in the box you'll find the foam packaging and one of these as always. The holographic detail. So here's what the actual box looks like, and it's all glitz and glamour, very pink and red in this whole series, and the back is going to say a cute little to from, like the traditional Valentines you would get in school. So there's that. And when you slide it out, the inside has holographic kisses all over the box. So definitely super cute as a gift or just to keep. And first, I'm going to talk about the matte lipstick. So I liked the change of the packaging, which is like a baby pink along with the red. And this one is called Call Me. And it still has the same signature feeling of the matte, and it's got the smell as always, like the vanilla smell, which I love. And this red is kind of like a dark, it's like a blue tone red, like kind of a deeper red, which I think is really pretty. It's like a classic, when you think of like 50s makeup, that's the type of red that I picture, and I think that's kind of how this one is. So I really liked it. I definitely liked the color and the way it turned out. And you can wear it alone or with the gloss. And next I'll talk about the lip liner, which just matches. And it's pretty standard lip liner. This it's just pink instead of the normal color. I'm not a huge fan of her liners. I think, they break too easily. They don't last very long. So really, I don't use them, but maybe since this is a red color and it would stain more easily, I probably would. Just not for like a nude, really. But honestly, if it was up to me, save yourself the 12 bucks. And then this finally is the gloss. And it's a really pretty color, like, just by itself even is super pretty and light. There's a little red left on the stick, which is kind of annoying, but it didn't seem to stain the inside at all, which is good. But that's kind of like by itself. There's just a little red left, which isn't too bad. And I would definitely wear this over any other color, really. I think it would look pretty good. And that's what it looks. Obviously, super shiny. It doesn't feel sticky, which I expected. Like, it's completely smooth. And just to test these other colors on my hand by themselves, this is what this looks like. And the lip liner next to it. So basically, I definitely think it was worth it. I'm happy with my purchase. I told my boyfriend that I wanted one, but I ended up just buying it for myself anyway. But yeah, I would definitely look forward to whatever she's coming out with next. And, I wouldn't complain about a St. Patrick's Day green or something. Would be pretty fun, especially since my birthday's in March. But I look forward to her products and being able to review whatever comes out next. But anyway, that was the Soulmate set, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.